simple coloring drawing. Hello everyone, today I'm drawing a turtle. Let's draw and paint it together. First I'm drawing its head. I'm drawing its shell. It's so beautiful. Have you ever seen a turtle? Turtles have a hard shell and they can swim in the sea. Let's draw a little fish here. I am going to paint turtle's shell with different colors. Green, pink, purple, yellow, blue, orange, brown. Please subscribe my channel. Let's paint this little fish here. Red, orange, so beautiful. See you in the next video.